can tempt me out of this warm sleeping bag is the thought of breakfast. I really want breakfast. While that bread cooks, I've got a little jar of honey and butter I've set by the fire. It's getting all nice and melty. Yeah, that's gonna be wonderful. Got the rest of this pork jowl bacon I'm gonna fry up to go with my flatbread. Oh yeah. Bacon fat, melted butter, honey. Carbs, sugar, and fat, the three best tasting things on a camp out. I'm so covered in butter and grease. It's wonderful.